Hello to all beautiful children out there. Welcome to 6th episode of ABC, a better change for a better life, presented by Story Labs. All of you waiting for the story? Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a small town. And in this small town, there lived this farmer called Mr. Rajshekhar. Rajshekhar was a very lazy farmer. He never liked his job. He always thought he should become very rich and enjoy his life. One day, he went to sleep and he started to dream. He dreamt that I have some rice in my house, right? Well, I will sell off that little rice and I will buy 2 goats. Probably after few days, I will sell off those 2 goats also and I will bring 2 buffaloes. Buffaloes! I will get milk, I will get curd, I will get ghee, many items. I can sell all of them and I'll become very rich. Very rich that probably I could start a big business of dry fruits, badam, pista, cashew. Oh my God, how much money will I get? I'll have lots of money. Probably the king will be very happy. Maybe he will offer his daughter to me to get married. I will become king too. See, I can become king also. Dreaming all this, the poor farmer Rajshekhar will slightly slip into the sleep. In the morning, he wakes up with lot of excitement because you know his plan, right? He's rushing to sell off his rice and bring his 2 goats. He will go and look at the rice. You know what has happened? He looks at the rice and all the rice is ate off by rats in his house. Poor Rajshekhar. He didn't have any rice to sell and he cannot get any goats now. He can't become king too. Finally, he will go back to his farm doing the same thing like before. Dreaming is always a good thing. But the problem is, we should always put enough efforts into it for making it true. Be it securing good marks in your exams, be it performing so well on the stage, or it can be just delivering a good speech, or it can also be performing well in your sports competition. Whatever, dream is always good, but at the same time, putting in proper efforts to make it true is more important. The vision without a plan will always remain as a dream. Hope you all liked the video. Please do share and subscribe to Story Labs for many updates from us. I'll see you all tomorrow with another amazing story. Signing off for today, yours Vishnu.